Welcome to Hydroscience Custom Formulations. Most supplements are identical, generic, and filled with low-quality ingredients. Hydroscience creates what others cannot. We design high-performance, top-tier formulations built to dominate any category. Whether you're thinking of creating a new product in sports nutrition, nootropics, functional wellness, pet health, or any other category, we work with your vision to create custom, market-ready products, backed entirely by science and regulatory compliant for the human dietary supplements and pet supplements industries. Whether you're launching your first supplement or scaling an existing lifestyle brand, we are your nutraceutical industry partner for success. Hydroscience, formulating your future. Contact us and let us grow your brand from idea to reality today.